Lungs inhaler Foracort has topped sales and became the #1 brand in the Indian pharma market in January. Blame the world post-COVID and air pollution along with some other reasons. The #1 position is generally held by anti-diabetic medicines and medicines for heart diseases. The shift in trend has put the brand Foracort inhaler, which is a drug for chronic lung diseases, at the top spot. Data indicates that inhalers represent the most significant category within the respiratory illness medicines. The trend indicates a notable change in India's attitude towards inhaler usage. Foracort leading the charts shows a possible decrease in stigma associated with the use of inhalers. According to data by research firm IQVIA, Cipla's Foracort showed the highest growth among the top 40 brands in the Indian pharma market, with Cipla's Budecort closely behind in January. Foracort is an inhaler which is a respiratory medicine used to treat asthma symptoms and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also known as COPD. Budecort is a steroid which is used to prevent the symptoms of asthma such as wheezing and shortness of breath. Experts told us that the category of respiratory medicines started growing substantially post-COVID, along with other reasons such as changes in environmental conditions and increasing air pollution levels.
So, with the pollution that has been rapidly increasing in the last few years, and especially after the COVID era, lots of asthma patients and viral infections are coming, which have led to increase in the respiratory problems, increase in the asthma cases. So, inhalers are the mainstay of this treatment for these allergies and asthmas. And there's a lot of stigma in the society that about the use of inhalers, that they make you dependent. But now, for the last few years, the acceptance for inhalers is increasing. People are using inhalers because inhalers are the very safe drugs. The drug which is in the inhalers, they go directly into the lungs. They act very fast. They not only help to control the symptoms, but also help in controlling your improving your quality of life, improving the nighttime symptoms, and help you to do your work properly.
Since November, Foracort has maintained its leading position, possibly attributed to the onset of the winter season along with air pollution, both known to worsen respiratory illnesses. Otherwise, the brand keeps fluctuating to different ranks but remains among the top 10 brackets. For instance, in October, broad-spectrum antibiotic Monosef was leading the charts, followed by antibiotic Augmentin. Foracort held the third position. The trend indicated by the market data also aligns with the observation of doctors in the clinical practice. For example, Dr. Navneet Sood, who is a Delhi-based pulmonologist, told News 18 that he has been seeing many more people coming to him with breathing problems. Another health expert, Dr. Rajiv Jayadevan, believes that the trend is possibly highlighting one of the health concerns faced by many people post-COVID. He said numerous individuals are experiencing persistent coughing that continues despite trying various remedies and goes on for months even after the infection or fever. He linked a study which found that the more you get infected with COVID-19, with or without your knowledge, the chances of developing chronic lung diseases such as asthma increases. Experts said that post-infection, the airways become hypersensitive. This could be further triggered by rising air pollution. A significant study conducted by Christian Medical College, Vellore, found lingering lung damage after COVID-19 affecting lung function, exercise capacity, and quality of life. In fact, experts told us that they have been noticing a surge in respiratory infections among children, causing fever, cough, and bronchospasm. While fever is short-lived, cough remains for a longer time owing to pollution, irritation, and possible gradual change in body's response over the years. This phenomena may have also contributed to the increase in the use of inhalers over the years. This trend is concerning, and doctors warn that breathing clean air is more urgent now than ever. The lungs are the one delicate organ in the human body in which we have limited ability to protect against the increasing attacks from the environment. If we continue to neglect lung health, we stand to compromise on it and will continue to invest more in respiratory medicines as is happening now.